And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
First up this evening, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has tasked the head of the police force to effect what it deems as necessary changes in the wake of a spate of fatal police shootings.
INDECOM held a press conference today where it was revealed that in 2023, killings by agents of the state increased by 16%, and from all indications, this could continue into 2024.
Now, Romarda Lyons has the details.
To serve and to protect. To be prosecuted was never part of the police mission, but figures reveal that a significant number of lawmen continue to be dragged to court, ironically in handcuffs for serious offences, leaving the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, to issue this reminder.
INDECOM was not established specifically to investigate cases to charge officers, and therefore it should be expected in a climate where officers are professional and there is continuous self-evaluation and training that recommendations for charging law enforcement officers should be low.
From January 2011 to December 2023, a total of 168 cases have commenced before the court, 39% related to murder or manslaughter, a further 49% related to assault or unlawful wounding. At the center of these 168 cases, 225 officers, 214 from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, 7 from the Department of Correctional Services, and 4 from the Jamaica Defense Force. 118 cases have been concluded, but have there been convictions?
15 cases resulted in a conviction, meaning a finding of guilt. 3 cases were subsequently overturned at appeal.
82 cases were acquitted. Now, as of July of this year, 50 of the cases still await trial, and that number could increase soon.
There are 23 cases ruled for charge since January of this year that will at some point be added to the list.
But the cases are being hampered. A recent analysis of court outcomes showed 2 critical issues: trial delays and witness attrition.
Both contribute to undermining the trial process and affect numerous parties in the process.
Parties affected by judicial delays are vast, from the families of deceased and injured individuals seeking closure to accused officers either on bail, suspended, or in custody awaiting trial. That's why it's recommended that the JCF's High Command
review and examine closely the circumstances resulting in their officers being charged, and the leadership should effect the necessary changes required, whether through policies, training, or other means, to reduce conduct which lead to charge.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.